Did you know that your IRA or 401k can invest in private funds, private placements, crowdfunding offerings? These types of private investments can be made with your IRA or 401k. You don't have to just invest in stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Many savvy investors are using these quote-unquote alternative assets like private funds to get better returns and create a larger retirement account once they hit age 59 and a half or older. Now, to invest in a private fund, you're going to need what's called a self-directed IRA. This could be a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, an HSA, a solo 401k. We just say self-directed IRA generically, and what that means is your retirement account can invest in any asset allowed by law, including a private fund. Now, with a broker-dealer IRA, they're not going to let you do it, so you'll need to open an account at Directed IRA, which you can do right here on the site. Log into our portal, open the account. You can then fund the account by transferring or rolling over dollars, making new contributions, and once that's done, you are ready to invest, which you'll do on the portal, making a direction of investment request into that private funder offering in the name of the IRA. So as you're looking at any private fund or private placement offering, you need to make sure you're making the IRA the owner in the investment. So this isn't you signing up for the investment, this is your IRA. For example, for me, I'm not gonna write Matt Sorensen is subscribing to this investment. I'm gonna put Directed Trust Company FBO Matt Sorensen IRA is subscribing to invest in this private fund. As you're completing the documents for the investment for the private fund, we have some guidelines to follow. We try to make it easy for you, and then you're going to authorize us to send the money from your retirement account. Then when there's any profits or dividends from the fund, those are going back into your self-directed IRA at Directed IRA. Now, let me go over a couple examples of things people have done with their accounts here. This could be a privately traded REIT that your IRA is investing into, paying a quarterly or monthly dividend. Your IRA is going to subscribe to that privately traded REIT, which is a private fund. It is then going to wire the money. We are going to send it to the REIT sponsor based on your investment direction to us. Then your REIT owns those shares or units in the private fund. They will then pay you the dividend or whatever the cash flow is coming from that investment offering, which goes into your retirement account. It's not going to you personally, it's building up in your retirement account, just like dividends when your IRA is at a brokerage IRA coming from some type of publicly traded stock. So that money is building up into your retirement account. Another popular private fund might be a private equity fund you've invested into. That might be a 5 to 7 year time period. There might be periodic money coming or maybe a lump sum payment coming at some date in the future. And that's a popular and growing asset class for people investing in private funds. Now, one thing to keep in mind is these are illiquid investments, so you need to make sure you have a long-term horizon on this, and a lot of people already do with their retirement account. But I just want to make that note here. This is not something you're going to quickly trade in and out of when you're investing into a private fund. Now, to invest in a private fund with your IRA or 401k dollars, you're going to need the self-directed IRA. That's what we do right here at Directed IRA. Get into our portal, log in, create your account, get it funded, and invest it into the assets you know and believe in. If you have any questions along the way, please book a call with our team. We're excited to help you on your self-directed journey.